Tencent has released a model which rivals closed source models when it comes to video generation. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to install this HunyuanCustom custom model on our local system, and we will see how it performs high fidelity, multi-subject and audio synced video generation with a simple text prompt. This model is a multi-modal conditional video generation model designed to create subject consistent videos using a wide range of input modalities, including text, image, audio, and video. It can generate videos of specific subjects from single or multiple images, drive avatars using audio to create lip synced sequences, and even replace subjects in existing videos with those from new images. As I said, you can use it for various use cases, for example, for virtual try-on, customized virtual advertisement, singing avatars, and also sophisticated video editing tasks. I will be talking more about its architecture, but for now, let's get this thing installed and we will see how it works. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system and my GPU card is NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM, and that is the minimum it would need to run. Otherwise, it is simply not going to run. I'm telling you upfront. But if you're looking to rent a GPU card like this on fraction of price, I would highly recommend Massed Compute. I will drop the link to their website with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs in the video's description, so do check them out. Let's first start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. That is very important to create. Next, you need to git clone the repo of HunyuanCustom, and that is also done. Now we need to install a lot of prerequisites, and it is quite important that you install it with the same versions because they are highly dependent and quite sensitive to that, and that is going to take a couple of minutes, so let's wait. Meanwhile, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. So let's wait for this to get installed and I will clear the screen. Everything is installed. Now let's log in to Hugging Face with its CLI, and you would need the read token from Hugging Face profile. That's a free token, and we are using it in order to download the model, which is HunyuanCustom. So you can see that I am now logged in. Okay, next up, I'm just going to download this model in the models directory. Hopefully I already have the models directory. Yep, so I'll just check if I have anything in there. Nothing. That is good. So let's download the model. I'm just going to paste the command here. Sorry, let me just paste it now. There you go. So I'm just using this Hugging Face CLI to download this HunyuanCustom in this local directory, which is models. And that is going to download the model, and it is going to take a bit of a time. So while it happens, let's talk a bit more about the architecture of the model, because I believe that is something which is quite interesting in terms of this model. So if you look here at the core, HunyuanCustom builds on the Hunyuan video framework. And if you don't know what that is, just go to my channel and search with Hunyuan video, just Hunyuan. I have covered heaps of model from Tencent and Hunyuan. I don't think so there is any model which I haven't covered from them, and they always have been quite sublime. So this builds on top of that Hunyuan video framework and introduces several specialized modules for multimodal conditioning and subject consistency. The model uses a text-image fusion component based on Lava for comprehensive understanding across modalities, and an image ID enhancement module using temporal concatenation to maintain subject identity across frames. For audio and video driven generation, the architecture uses modality specific condition injection via an audio net cross attention module, as well as a video driven injection module that uses Patchify based feature alignment. And then these combined strategies enable HunyuanCustom to support flexible, controllable, and robust video generation across diverse user-defined scenarios. So pretty solid design, I would say. I think they are evolving organically, and every time they release something, it is better than the previous one. So let's wait to see how this one goes. Let's wait for this model to get downloaded. It is quite big, as you can see. So the models have been downloaded. Let's now do the inference here. So now I'm going to generate the video with a sample image prompt and then with a text prompt. So you see, I have just given it this input prompt of just a woman, which I will show you. And then this is a positive prompt that we want it to be realistic, high quality. A woman is drinking coffee at a cafe. And then negative prompt, the thing which we really don't want in the image. And then we are giving it the path to the model, some other random parameters around a video size. So let's run this. It is going to load the model, and it is loading the model onto our GPU. Let's wait for it. And I will also show you the VRAM consumption in a bit. I just want you to show you how it loads it. There you go. So it is loading the variational autoencoder, and then it is loading the model's checkpoints. It is using the lava model, as I mentioned in the intro. And these are the hyperparameters which it has taken around the prompt. So it is putting our model to the CUDA. Let's now check the VRAM consumption. So see, it is increasing as we move. Let's wait for it, and I believe it jumps up to, as I remember, it jumps up to around 60 gig or something like that as it proceeds. So you see, it has started generating it. There are 30 steps it needs to do. It is also going to show you the ETA. Now this is the one problem I have with the recent versions of Hunyuan, that they take long time to generate videos. They generate really good stuff, but they generate, I think the previous one, when I was using it, it was taking around 40 minutes. Let's see how long this takes. So it is showing us around 17 minutes. Anyway, so let's see what is the VRAM consumption. So it is going to jump to 60 GB, and you see that it is hovering around 37 gig of VRAM, but it will jump. The max it goes to 61. Okay, so let's wait. Let me wait for 17 minutes, and then I will show you what it has generated. So it has generated the video after almost 17 minutes. The reference image which we used is from their GitHub repo. This is the reference image, and we already know our prompt. It was about women drinking coffee. So this is the resultant video. Let me open it in the browser and then play it for you. Isn't this magic? I think it was worth waiting 17 minutes. Look at the quality. Focus on the expressions of the face, plus fingers are fine, and she is drinking the coffee. Eyes are very, very well formed, and it is a typical description. Maybe slight, very, very slight malformity, but you can even say that this could be, a natural arm. But I think all in all, even the shadows of her arm are quite good. Even the surrounding, the background, everything looks perfectly amazing. Okay, this is really, really cool. I will generate one more video, because look, it takes around 17 minutes. So what I'm going to do, maybe I will just go back to my I will just maybe use my own image and see what it does here. So I'm going to use this image of mine, which is of course AI enhanced, and then I'm just going to replace the woman with a man, that a man is drinking coffee at a cafe. So let's run this. Again, I believe it is going to take 17 minutes. So let's see what it generates this time. The video is almost generated. It is now saving on my local system. So the video has been saved, and this is the location where it has saved it, in the results directory. Just to refresh your memory, this is the image which I'm going to use, and let me play this video in the browser. Okay, so let me go to my browser, and then let me play it. Sorry. Okay, let's play this one. Wow, I look, more psychotic than usual. But look, if you look at my image and look at the text prompt, the good thing is that it has followed the prompt to the hilt. The background is there. The image is perfectly fine. The hair is fine. The teeth are fine. And then the whole, I think, expressions are, they are quite good. Yes, they are very, very exaggerated. But eyes are fine. I don't see any malformity here. I'll just play it again just to see if my hands are fine. Yes, slightly fat fingers, but I think maybe that's what it is. Yep. Okay, so you see, you can enjoy at my expense. I know you're laughing, but that is fine. But the truth is that I think the model is quite good. What do you think, really? And of course, I believe that, if we get the image right, and if we maybe put more detailed prompt, it could even perform better. But things have come a long way, I must say. One area where Tencent needs to improve definitely is the time it takes. For one video of 5 seconds, 17 minutes, I would say it's a bit longer. So anyway, but other than that, just watch other stuff from Tencent. You will be very surprised how far they have come. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it really, really helps a lot. Thank you for watching.